여러분 안녕하세요. 한국어 시간입니다.
Korean words and expressions. I have my last exam tomorrow, but I'm so tired and sleepy that it's hard to study.
If you want a good result,
뒷심을 발휘하세요.
뒷심을 발휘하세요.
What does that mean?
it means you don't give up and keep doing your best all the way to the finish. For example, the child who was running last kept trying until the end and came in first.
Then, can I say, in yesterday's golf match, my favorite player kept trying until the end and won the game?
Yes, exactly. And in the opposite situation, you can say,
뒷심이 부족하다.
뒷심이 부족하다.
that means they didn't have enough energy to keep trying until the end. For example, at first, the movie got good reviews, but it didn't keep up the effort and didn't do well at the box office.
I'll try to use these expressions.
뒷심을 발휘하다.
And,
뒷심이 부족하다.
Can you try speaking in Korean?
yes, I'm ready.
뒷심을 발휘하여 좋은 결과를 거두세요.
뒷심을 발휘하여 좋은 결과를 거두세요.
뒷심이 부족하면 안 돼요.
뒷심이 부족하면 안 돼요.
Today, we learned the Korean expressions.
뒷심을 발휘하다.
And, as the opposite expression.
뒷심이 부족하다.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps. See you next time.